Hello guys and welcome here. So in this video we are going to talk about the DAYS360 function inside of Microsoft Excel. So this function will return the number of days that is between two different dates. So we have our start date that is here and our end date that is here. And with the use of this function we will be able to find how many days are between both of those dates. So how exactly are we going to proceed? So pretty simple. We are going to start by simply writing down our equal sign, and then we are going to write down days 360. Once it's done, we can open up our parentheses, and in this function there is only two arguments. So the first one will be this one right here, which is 12 May 2020. And the second argument, which is the end date, will be 30th September 2021. And then we can close our parentheses. And just like that, I know that between these two dates, there is 498 days. So if, for example, I change the date from 2021 to 2022, I will know that between these two dates, there is 858 days. And if I change this date and I go to 2018, as you can see, what's gonna happen is that it will change as well. If, for example, this date is greater than this date, so instead of 2018, I write down 2023, as you can see, it's going to return me how many days are between these two dates, but with a negative number, so minus 222, which is not possible, because this date comes after this date right here. So this is how you use the DAYS360 function inside of Microsoft Excel. So as always, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a like, to subscribe, and see you in another of my videos.